Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add filters or effects to just like half of your videos only on CapCut PC. So for instance, I want to add in a filter but just to half of this page, so I'm just going to copy and paste the video. Then I'm going to add in like filters, for instance like this one, and then I also want to add in some effects as well. So go to lens. Actually, you can add in any effects you want. Sorry, I'm just adding the ones that I want to add. Hold on. I think I'm gonna add in the angel one here. No, just adjust the effects as well. Select everything except for the first video. Right click, create compound clip, and go to split in mask. So go to video, mask, and select split to, you know, make it into like this half only filter. You can also like adjust the halves if you want to. Like you can do diagonally, horizontally, whatever. You can also like feather it out to merge it in a little bit better so the line isn't shown that much. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.